Silence falls over the Brown family home.
There's my favorite spot on the couch.
The popcorn is perfect tonight.
Mommy, can I have some popcorn?
I want to sit here too.
Here you go, my little ones.
Yummy!
Popcorn!
The family settles in to watch TV together. Anna wraps herself in her cozy blanket.
Another commercial. Coming up next, something amazing.
Anna's eyes grow wide with excitement.
The amazing Robo-Buddy. It walks, it talks, it dances. Only $99.
Order now and get this special edition.
Mommy, Daddy, look, look! Daddy, Daddy, can I have it, please? Pretty, please? I really, really, really want that robot.
Anna, I have a question for you.
Anna stops bouncing.
Will you still want this toy in 1 month?
The question hangs in the air.
1 month?
Anna looks back at the TV. Anna bites her lip. The robot looks so fun, but Daddy's question makes her think.
Anna imagines all the fun she could have with the robot.
I wish I could have it.
But then, question marks appear in her mind. She doesn't know.
Me too. I want that robot. Like this, Anna.
Dad, I want the cool car, the really expensive one. Son, before you ask for something, think about why you want it.
Sophia watches with a proud smile. I have an idea.
A wonderful idea.
How about we go see these toys ourselves? What do you say?
Go see them? Like at a store?
Yes. What do you think?
Yes, a toy store.
To the toy store.
High five, Jack.
High five. The children spin with excitement.
But first, one important rule.
Yes, Daddy?
We're listening. You can look, but you don't have to buy, okay?
Okay,
Daddy.
Dad. Shoes on, everyone.
I'm ready.
Let's go!
The family heads out to the toy store.
The Brown family arrives at Toy Wonderland.
Here we are.
Wow.
Whoa, so many toys!
There's so much stuff.
Look at all these toys.
Come on, little ones. I know what you're looking for.
Robots. I see robots. That one. Daddy, that's the robot from the TV.
Is it, Anna?
Yes, the Robo-Buddy. I want that one.
The Robo-Buddy, priced at $99. $99. Anna presses close to the glass, her dream robot right in front of her. Meanwhile, Jock notices something else. Brown watches Anna and waits for the right moment to teach.
Anna, look over here. What do you see?
Huh? There's another robot?
What does that one cost, Anna?
Anna looks between the two robots and really thinks about the difference.
See how this one has more lights? But this one feels solid, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does feel solid.
Which one do you think will last longer?
The cheaper one?
Why do you think so?
Jack has found something else.
Whoa, this is so cool!
Jack, what about this one? What do you notice about them?
This one has more buttons, but this one feels stronger.
Good observation, Jack.
I choose this one.
Anna has made her choice.
Why did you choose that one, Anna?
Because it feels strong and it's cheaper. So if it breaks, I can fix it.
That is very smart thinking, Anna. Very, very smart.
But this one looks so cool.
Take your time, Jack. Think about it.
I want this one. It's the coolest.
Okay, Jack. That's your choice. Just remember what we talked about, okay?
It has working doors.
And it makes sounds. And the wheels spin. And look at the paint.
I can see why you love it, Jack. Jack, if you choose this one, you need to take very good care of it. Expensive things sometimes need more love, okay?
Okay, Mom, I will.
Jack, look what I chose.
Oh, that's different.
It's strong and smart. I think your car is cool too.
Thanks, Anna.
The siblings respect each other's choices. The family heads to checkout.
Time to pay for our treasures.
My robot is the best choice.
My car is the coolest.
That'll be $90 today.
Here you go.
Almost mine.
So close.
The items are scanned one by one.
$15? $75?
I made a smart choice.
Jack watches the $75 price appear.
But he stands by his choice.
Brown counts out the money carefully. The receipt prints.
Here you go, kids. Your bags.
Thank you, Daddy.
Very proud of you, Anna.
A very smart choice.
Yes, got my car.
Take good care of it, Jack.
I will, Mom. I promise.
Great shopping trip, everyone.
Home, everyone.
Yay! Let's go!
Home, home, home. I can't wait to play with it.
My robot is going to be so cool.
Almost home.
It's really mine.
Look, Anna, it makes real sounds.
Whoa, cool.
Right? It's the best.
We're home.
We're home.
Toys.
Living room, living room.
I'm first.
Careful, kids. Okay, here we are.
Let's see those toys.
One rule, kids. One at a time. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Here's my robot.
Very nice, Anna.
That looks very sturdy. It walks, see? That is a nice, solid robot.
Quality construction.
And here's my car.
Wow, that's impressive, buddy.
It has working doors. Listen to the sounds.
Brown and Sophia exchange knowing looks.
Both are great choices, kids.
Now the fun begins. Robot, walk to Jack.
Car, zoom.
As the sun sets, a perfect day winds down.
This dinner is good, if I say so myself.
Anna, how is your new toy, Chocobot?
It's okay. I don't know. I haven't played with it much this week.
Do you remember my question before the store?
I carry mine everywhere.
There is something called price and something called value. They are not the same.
I have had this wallet for 8 years. It cost much less than a new one, but it works perfectly.
But I paid a lot for it. That means it should be good.
Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. They are different.
Dad, what does value mean?
Jack, which do you need more? This water or this cookie?
Water. But cookies taste much better.
I'll get these. You two keep talking.
How are you feeling, Anna? Next time, let's think first before we buy.
Okay, Dad.
Anna's nod completing. Quiet dining room. The lesson landing in silence.
Good morning, everyone. Today, needs versus wants. 2 columns. Can anyone tell me what goes in each one?
Oh, I know. Chocobot was a want, not a need. I know because I bought it. Okay, Chocobot, time to play. Chocobot, hello, come on!
Anna's quiet. The room breathes around her heartbreak.
Dad, it stopped working. It's broken.
Let me have a look.
Can you fix it, Dad? Please?
I'm sorry, Anna. I can't fix this one.
Anna's quiet grief. No words, just the sound of a child's heartbreak held quietly. Jack's quiet car sounds across the room. Happy, oblivious. The contrast is the sound. Anna watching silently. Jack's car sounds in the distance. A long, quiet beat of observation. Brown sitting on the floor beside Anna. No words, just presence. Quiet home.
How do you feel right now, Anna?
Sad. And silly.
You are not silly. You learned something. That is brave.
Anna, I have something for you.
For me?
It's a puzzle? I bought it the same day. It cost much less. Let's see how long it lasts.
Anna touching the puzzle pieces. Smooth wood sounds. Quiet tactile discovery.
Oh, it fits.
Brown and Sophia's quiet exchange. No words, just a shared parental smile sound in the air.
Family meeting. Today we make our shopping rules together. Who has the first rule? What should we ask before we buy something?
Will I still want it next week?
Is it strong? Will it break quickly?
Does it cost too much for what it does?
Our list. Will I still want it? Is it strong? Does it cost too much?
Anna writing in her journal. Pen on paper. Quiet bedroom afternoon. The last word being written. Pen completing its stroke. The quiet of a finished thought.
There. Now everyone can see it.
This is a great rule.
Goodbye, Chocobot. Maybe someone else can use you.
Anna standing quietly. The gentle silence of letting something go.
Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Remember that.
Expensive is not always better.
Still going strong.
Almost. Try that corner piece.
Done.
Well done, Anna.
She did it.
Expensive is not always better. I want things that last.
Price is what you pay. Value is what you get.
Think before you buy. Shop with your head, not just your heart.